All right, making sense of all the chaos. I see a lot of it. Look how volatile. I mean, just if I can take out. Hold up, let me change this up. Just look at the volatility, okay? This is why it is difficult right now for you guys. See, the thing is that we got Russia coming in and out of news, and we have these sanctions that are going on. Okay, things are. It's because of these. Hold on. Do I even want that? I don't care about the price. I just want to see. Well, you know, I'm gonna change the little corner here. Oh, it's not a soft screen. Um, so basically, I mean, just look how volatile this thing. I mean, if you look at the chart, you barely even know where it's going. I mean, it's pretty much when these trends are weak. I mean, we gotta just go to your, you guys that have the RSAI strategy, man. You have the apps that you can pick. You can pick up the harmonics. You can just trade the harmonics. You don't need the signals. You know what I'm saying? Signals are going to be a little tough when it's like this. When it's flat, like should be grabbing. Fuck the faraway target. Trade the harmonic. That's it. Do that. You see what I'm saying? Because look at this. It's not fucking. It's not. Look. It's not going anywhere. This is why some of you, well, not some. Well, it's on some of these trades, pulling their hair out in some of these trades. I say, a lot of the guys the ones who just came in are doing quite well. I have to say, I mean, great job, man. I gotta give you guys a clap, man. Great jobs. Now, some of you's been around for a while. Okay, on some level, I do see improvement. I see improvement, and also the only issue I have is when dealing with trying to be this perfect trader. That's the issue I'm having. Other than that, I mean, you guys are just doing fantastic. I just want those of you who are trying to achieve some sort of perfection thing, forget it. If you want to, perfection, you shouldn't be a trader, trying to be a perfection. I mean, it's just not going to go. You know what I mean? Think about it. Odd USD, odd USD, odd USD hit target. I mean, were you in this? I'm traded this thing several times. Were you in odd USD? Were you in it on the way to the top? Okay. Were you in this thing? So now we're looking for the target to go down. So I gotta bring it. I gotta bring it around town. Oh, there's what you call it going off. Bring it around and around and around. So this one, I posted this one, so I can remove. Well, and I can. Not yeah. I'll remove the highlight. So odd USD hit target. I gotta see what's going on next. I'm just gonna kind of leave that. I'm gonna let that marinate for you. Oh man, I hit the wrong button. Don't you hate when you're doing something and you think you didn't hit it, and then you realize all you had to do was wait one more second, and you're like, shh, wait a minute, is this not? Oh, it's not even in screen. The whole thing's not in. Let's see. So I kind of have to. What I do is I have to. I lost my. I had a screen thing that did this, like the snap the screen picture thing, and it's acting up. So I've been using my cell phone to try to get you guys your your signals information. I don't want you guys to beat yourselves up. Please don't do that. Understand, trading, you have to be forgiving of yourself. This is not about being perfect. It's not about, you've got to be so great. Okay. Be thankful that you make something, that you make money. Thank the heavens, thank the universe. Be appreciative, because, the universe can take it from us. Oh, that bottom part, I'm supposed to take this off. I don't want to confuse you with these highlights. But, um, you have to be thankful to the universe, thankful to uh, God, the reality, intelligent reality. I'm trying to come up with the word to say it, but I mean, you understand my point, right? Be thankful, and you're going to be fine. If you'll be thankful and appreciative and not take it for granted, you'll have no problems in life, man. You really won't have problems in life. Trust me. Trust me when I tell you. Okay? And this is what I do. When I meditate, I'm allowing myself to open up to the universe and learn lessons. Learning what it takes. I mean, if I want to achieve something, I'll do everything I can, to learn it. But I'm not going to expect myself to not make mistakes. Look how much I have made, okay? How much I have made. Yes, I've lost money. Yeah, I'm down now. Like, I'm under 500,000. At the moment, I bought like so many. They're still open, but you know, it's just, it is what I don't trip, man. I don't trip. So we want to be emotionally mature. And if we need help, we'll get help. And that's good. If you want the help, then you understand that you can do some things you will have to accept and some things you will have to. What did we do? Did we start here already? No, because I came from, all right. So this one, I'm in a buy on this one.
Connect One Forex Signal Services allows traders to take advantage of market trends to grow smaller accounts into larger accounts. No need to rush to capture a 50, 100, or 150 pip signal, because KOFXS signals are between 200 and 1200 pips. Here's how it works. When you look at the signal, it'll have an open price, a stop loss, and a target, with additional information about risk-return ratio, potential pips, and explainer video for the trade. If the trade gets stopped out, you can either wait for it to return to the open price, or you can take a second signal that's going to have an even greater return with the same target price. Our special strategy for calculating price targets is what separates us from other services out there. Take advantage of large trend movements and start on your way to success with KOFXS Group. For more details, visit our website or join our Telegram channel for a free trial.
How do I move? It was a way to do it. This was actually a buy, and then there's no target up here. All right. When this thing begins to exhaust, see, it's come down here, it's double top. I would not get into this thing until now. I don't expect it to pass this top point here, but it may, okay. I don't know if I told you to get into it or not. Check your thing, but let's see. Did I tell you to get in? This is what buy. I said to buy. Oh, it's still a buy, because I mean, it's not going to go that. I mean, I don't know how I'm looking at far away or what, but buy, yes, because yeah, I expect it to go higher, but I don't know. We'll see what happens. This is just expectation. I would definitely be in a buy on this. If you're in a buy, stay in a buy. Yes, stay in a buy until things change over, to start to slow down. I mean, put it this way, the sucker ain't going to be doing this. If it does this, it's not going to be going further. Okay. Like if it does a sudden doop, like, it's going to give you time to, it's not going to be like straight down. No. Now if I find a harmonic, like, you know what, maybe I should switch. I had to get back to crazies. Okay. I was trying to keep the screen clear for you, but I have to see levels. Oh, so okay, bearish, and then it does the bounce thing, and then it's about, yeah, it should hit higher. Yeah, stand by on that. Next one, it's odd CHF. Odd CHF right now is a buy. I think it's no target, right? Was it a target? No, it's above, it's past the target. And it's going beyond our target. I thought I could short this and it wasn't time to short. See, it went like, and it took off. It started doing this and took off. So, I would wait till it got about right here. Well, actually back to the target. I would make this my sell stop, right there at the 69,194. I mean, that's going to be that's where I would put that, on the way down if you're not in it. Hopping on it as a buy, you can buy it right here. See that line in here? That's okay. There's no problem doing that. You have good level support. Okay. Moving on, RJPY, the yens, it just swallowed my attention. I don't know how it did it. I don't know what happened, it just swallowed my attention a lot. But look at this. I mean, just straight up, man. Straight up. I mean, this is going to ride for a while. I expect it to continue to go. Look where our target was. I mean, it's just straight up. This could reach 96 for all I know. I mean, just straight like that. Let's see, to the candlesticks. Where's my tool? Here. Okay, that's a good point. Where is it actually? It has gone past the 382, so this could go sideways for a little bit. I mean, it might be exhausting. It's going back inside the 382, so I mean, if you're out of it, I mean, I would wait for it to break out above this point, 92,097, before I get in. You can put your buy stop there. Sell stop, sell stop. Sell stops would be at that 88.906. I mean, it's going to be a lot of waiting. We have to do this because of the condition of the market, okay? There's news, we got a ton of news on GBP. I try to post that up there. I was busy. Okay. So like I'm trying to be the one, I mean, really, if I was any other system, I would just be signals and then that's it. People that put the signals out and they don't say anything. I could do that. It would be so much easier than to be the education provider and mentorship. I mean, if I get so exhausted, it's freaking, I mean, I would just have to raise my mentorship so that less people get in, raise it to 1,500, something, so I don't get hammered. Make it $1,500. It's like you have to do it so that you don't freaking die. You guys don't want me to freaking have a heart attack. I got high blood pressure, man. Okay. I've got to take my med tonight. Let's see. So, and I'm gonna be 50 soon, right? I gotta watch my health. So this is at the 50. It's stuck inside the 50. This is good. When you see this go to 618, hit a double bottom, and then go this far, and then hit. I mean, it's got momentum, man. This is in the wrong place. This little sucker's in the wrong place. That's why I'm like, look at this, and I got it in the wrong place. Look at that, inside the 382. I mean, as long as it's inside the 382 and we got a buy on it, you get in. Okay? Use your measuring stick. Use the tools I've given you. and you won't have problems. If you, some of you that having issues, use the tools I've given you. Go back, stop trading. Watch the video lessons, okay? Stop being a cowboy. Look at this, all just continuing, man. All breakout. I would hop on this. I wouldn't even put it. I'd just get right in it, right there. Right? Well, I am in it actually. So all of these are actually, I'm actually trading them. If you want to wait for a short, you're gonna be waiting for a long time. Oh man. All right, moving on. Now look at this. This one got trapped. It's on no trade, but I'm trading it. Buyers right now are still in control, somewhat, tiny bit, not major. I mean, yeah, well, a little bit major. This isn't breaking past this point. Where do we even have? Oh, the target's down here, 68. I would wait. It's just, I would wait till this got below 73768. I mean, it really needs to, it's got to show me it really wants to do it. I mean, it is what it is. Stop trying to, in this market, I have to make adjustments. When things like this happen where you're having losses, you want to stop trying to get in the market so early. You want to stop trying to get in the trade at the tippity top of the trade. Stop doing it. You're not going to be that guy right at the pinnacle of the trade. I'm going to be that guy. You're not going to be that guy. I'm kidding. I'm fucking with you guys. So look at, you've been buying this. I've been buying this like constantly. This spike happened. It happens. And what can I say? That's why you want to have a trailing stop. I'm not a trailing stop. I don't even know how to use trailing stops. But I just don't trust them. But you want to move your stops up because this crap that happens on the JPYs. They go choop. They do that little choop. Go up, 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 choop. Up, 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 choop. It's just the way it's the way it is. But the buyers, don't worry. The buyer's still in control of CAD JPY, man. Don't worry. It's just a pullback, bro. That's not a change in momentum. All right. It's the same thing. CHF JPY. All right. Same, not a change in momentum. Oh, matter of fact, hold on. Let me go back up. CHF JPY. Is that right? Was that right? Yeah, I was right. Okay. Now this is a different case when it comes to the Euro AUD. I've been shorting this thing since right here. I mean, look how much I've been shorting it. Look at this. Like about right there, all the way down. Dude, like 260 pips, man. Whew, wow. And it's still in that situation, okay? This is still a short, okay? A good short would have been right there at the spike. But, you can do it now. You can hop on that. It's fine. So, EuroCAD, same situation. Oh,
Are you a trader? Then you'll love Connect One Forex Signals, a leading signal service dedicated to providing the best trading entries and exits for traders. We have the highest reward to risk ratio in the industry, and our pips gain is as high as 1,200 pips in one trade. You don't need to do anything, just set it and forget it. We'll do all the heavy lifting. We also teach how to trade successfully using what we call the RSAI blueprint strategy. Our strategy is based on harmonics, but we also use them in other ways besides just buying and selling to target. Receive signals, learn new techniques and innovative trading systems to bring you to a new level of training and profitability with Connect One Forex Signals. Sign up for a free trial at connect-1-forex-signals.multiscreensite.com or join our Telegram group at t.me/KOFXS group for group chat.
Perfect. Short this right now, 1.38113. Beautiful, beautiful. And you guys see it, the targets, and you got the list. Refer to the list. Trying to put less work on myself. Do you have more I'll add value, less work. Okay. This one is actually the sellers in control of this right now. I was expecting this to go up, but no, the sellers are in control. So, you want to be selling that, but it's changing. It's changing. It's not so steep anymore. It's starting to do kind of one of these, like it's starting to hold that, slow it down a little bit. So could do some curved stuff. It's got to fulfill this pattern. There's actually a target. A target. There's actually a target right here. Right here. I gotta make that white so I don't confuse myself. That's after the green. There's a target actually of 1.01386. Unofficial. Okay. Unofficial. But okay, just short it. Okay. So it's the same situation. Your GBP and your CHF follow each other somewhat, right? Yes. Yes. Okay. This failed, but it's still in play, right? It's a battle. It's going to be in a channel. This is going to be in a channel. Expect this to range, all right? From here to right about where it is, or up to this possibly. So it may do one of those, you know what I'm saying? Up sideways, up and down sideways, to try to see if you can catch a range on this from 83,009 up to the right here, 83,572. Okay. And Euro JPY, so buyers doing control again. This is going to be it right here. This would have finished by now if it was going to fulfill. So this is it right there. You can buy Euro JPY now if you're not in it. Okay. Euro, let's see if I can hurry up, finish this 19-minute onto this. Euro NZD. I like this right here. I would buy this. Actually, sellers are losing control. It's going to take a little while, but it's going to start to head back up. I think this is it. I don't expect to drop past this red line, 1.57520. And it can start making that long trip. You can get in it. The long trip to the top at 1.81607. And that's pretty much it. And the bottoms, I believe that's where it's going right now. Hey, again, remember, I could be wrong. Always have your stop losses. Euro UST. Shit. Fucking Euro USD. That's what I want to call this thing. The sellers still have a little bit of control. They're stopping this. But we're going to need, somehow, we're just going to need them to switch a little bit more. We need to see, I need to see a shift. So it's going to probably be up here, well into April before you see that shift in Euro USD. I don't even want to trade it, quite frankly. Okay. Sellers in control of this one. It's wonderful. They're still in control. I like it. I've been shorting it. I've been making money on it. GBP, AUD. It's not turning around yet. Okay. Not ready yet. See how this is slowly bending? Slowly. This is so slow. This is going to be into April probably before it actually just goes, just straight up, right? Like these steep little curves. But that's what it does. Slowly changes, okay? Slowly changes. You still got that target. Here, I would be in a buy. I wouldn't short this anymore. I'd be in a buy. I'd wait for me. I'd do it, but I would wait for it to go above this point of 1.66197 right there out the side of that cloud before I got in. So, or even all the way up here, you can do that. That's fine. We want to minimize losses. Just imagine minimizing losses, right? There's a risk management. Minimize loss. So sellers in control, but it's not really impressive. We got a weak system here. So what you want to do, you want to look for those harmonics, trade the harmonics, go down to the 30s or whatever and trade the harmonics. They're going to be fulfilling and they're going to be doing that. All right. Yeah. GBP JPY also slowing down. It's tough for me to say how much more this is really going to go. I think it's starting to crack, honestly. But I have my thing right here. You can have your sell stop here, 159.195, and just wait. GBP NZD, and yeah, I'm right. GBP NZD, the one I hate, the one that's taking money from me. This one is still in control of the short. I mean, the shorts, it's fallen out, right? And this will continue to drop. Okay. We don't have a target for that. Okay. Let me check. So yeah. So it's come like this. It's just like this circular swing around thing going on. GBP SGD, and it's just been done some great trading on it. God, I should have waited till it got above this though. Oh well. I mean, I'm down here somewhere or something on it. So that's at the target up above, 1.83236 or 3823. This starting to shift. Momentum. Did it away a while back. So I've been buying it. But now it's slowly going. It's going to continue to go up. Yes, it's going to channel on the way there, but it's going to hit it's going to hit it. Okay. Just think in your mind, it's going to hit that. They always hit the target. You know that. You guys have guaranteed targets, basically. I never thought I would say the word guaranteed, but anyway, in the direction of you have the harmonic in the direction of the trend. Very good. Very, very good. This is good. I would definitely be in this going up to 0.90219. Buying it. I think I am. Right? Yeah. It says no trade. Oh, so I gotta change that. So, well, you see the video. Get in. I'm gonna change it. I would get in it right now. Well, matter of fact, wait. No. Don't get in until after it passes this point. Put your buy stop at 0.87572. All right, and that's the target right there, 0.90219. I'm gonna make a note to myself. All right, next, moving on. NZD-CHF breaking, cracking. This is cracking, guys. I would get ready for a nice short down here to 0.0592. To what was it? What's that? 0.59200. Okay. Note to self. It's NZDs. I gotta make the changes to the NZDs. NZDs. But you have it on here in case I forget, okay? If you're watching the videos, you better be watching the videos. If not, I'm gonna come through the screen, I'm gonna smack you. Alright, non-balance. I preach non-balance. NZD JPY is gonna continue up. It's not ready to crack yet. You're free to buy these that aren't ready to. They're free. These are. You don't. If you want to be on the more conservative, the safe side, only trade these to target. Okay. Now it's a little more risky going away from target. I have to stress that. Maybe I should type that on it. You know, no matter how I say it, there's going to be someone that doesn't listen. So, all right, the NZD USD right now is really good. It's headed up to 0.71712. And it's just on its way. I mean, buy it. Just hop on it. Just buy it. For Pete's sake. Right? Or you can wait for the breakout. I mean, the breakout's above this point. It's at that point, 69948. All right. Where are we? We are down to. We're hitting all these. It's only 27 minutes. We are now at the USD CAD. This is still in a sell. Oh, there's the line out here. Look. Oh my God. Look where I started doing it. You guys remember that video when I did that video? Look how it's following the exact line right where I told you. See? This is what, and this is what we do at KOFXS, okay? We know what we're talking about, okay? Follow the rules, follow my advice, follow the recommendation. It's following the stick that I made. I was wondering which one I did that on. As I know I did, I know it's following this. I wanted to check it. Here it is. I mean, it's to a T, almost even the size of the range. If I'm right from here all the way, then I should be right from what? There to what? All the way to here. I mean, how much more do you need, right? I mean, this is like, taking you by the hand. I mean, completely, right? Taking you by the hand. And it's okay. I understand babies cry. I'm here to make it better. They're baby traders, right? And I'm here to help you guys mature, get emotionally mature, become, grow mentally, everything. Okay. I'm here to help you. I'm not here to hurt you and all this stuff. Whatever you see people doing online, whatever they're doing to each other, drives me crazy. Anyway, USD CHF. This right now, the sellers are in control. This is headed straight to 0.91222. All right, straight to it. Great trade. That's a great trade, by the way. USD CNH. Oh, that's right. You guys don't trade it. Only I'm trading this. Well, okay. Well, I'm buying this. All right, moving on. USD JPY is still a buy because it's headed to our target. It's still waiting for it to hit target 123278. All right, and that's it. I will see you guys on the next one, and I will see. Make sure there's anything left that I wanted to talk about. Nope. All right, just remember me. I'm Aaron Truth, and this is KOFX. Peace.